The new Crown finally started to move. The debut is almost decided 2022 year 7/15, and the introduction of the new Crown has started at the store. Crown proposing a new premium saloon. This time, I will tell you about the current movement and detailed information. A plenary meeting was held at sales companies across the country, and the existence of the new Crown and the approximate time of presentation were found. The Crown's traditional royal saloon is embodied by matching this with the present day. The powertrain included a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter turbo plus motor hybrid, direct 4, and the NA 2.5-liter hybrid E4, which will be installed in the current Camry and Harrier. It is planned to start with all models AWD. The exterior is a fastback ratio of a flowing shape. The front overhang was 155 mm longer, while the rear overhang was 65 mm shorter. The body size is 4,930 mm, plus 20 mm, in total length x 1,840 mm, plus 40 mm, in total width x 1,540 mm, plus 85 mm, in total height. In addition to the sedan type that appears before, it is said that the SUV type will also line up in the future.